In this video, we will be studying about the thunderstorms. In the previous video, we started about the properties of the air, that how the air rises up, how the air expands, and how the cooler air takes its place and it causes the winds. Now we will study about the thunderstorm. Now, a thunderstorm is a kind of weather characterized by heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. Now there is a thunder sound, lightning, and a heavy rain in the thunderstorm. Now, as the air near the Earth's surface heats up, it rises. It produces strong upward rising winds which carry moisture with them. In the cooler upper region of the atmosphere, the moisture rapidly condenses into droplets of water which may fall as rain or freeze and fall. Now, the water droplets and ice crystals collide with each other due to swift rising air. Now, these collision produces static electricity and the clouds gets charged. Now, huge sparks are produced between clouds or between a cloud and the ground. Now, this is the lightning we see. Now, the lightning heats the air in its path so quickly that a loud booming sound is produced. Now, this is the thunder we hear along with the lightning. Now, what should be the precautions that we should take during the thunderstorms? The first is do not take shelter. Take shelter under an isolated tree. Right? If in a forest, take shelter under a small tree. Do not lie on the ground. Second is do not take shelter under an umbrella with a metallic handle. Third is do not take shelter under a metal shed. Okay. Now, do not sit near an open window. Near an open window. Now, if you are in water, then get out. I like in swimming pool, lake, river, sea, then get out and go inside a building. Right. Now, these are some of the precautions that you should take and how the thunderstorms are formed. I hope you have understood this and you've understood how what are the precautions that you should take. This is basically a disaster management precautions. And if you have any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can ask me anytime. I'll be there to help you.